Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Breaking the Silence. I am here to talk about something really important. As we all are aware about the sudden demise of Shafali Jairewala, it is really important to acknowledge that behind her public persona, she was silently battling with certain mental health challenges. Through her interviews, she shared her experience with epilepsy that began during her teenage years to the emotional toll in the form of anxiety, panic attacks, and depression. Before I start with explaining you all these mental health issue, as I have shared in my previous video as well, कि हमेशा जो भी डायग्नोसिस होता है किसी भी मेंटल हेल्थ इशू का वो हमेशा एक क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट करते हैं थ्रू प्रॉपर साइकोलॉजिकल इवेल्युएशन. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम किसी भी मेंटल हेल्थ इशू को सेल्फ डायग्नोज नहीं करें ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हाट वी सी हियर और ऑब्जर्व, बिकॉज उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड होता है सोसाइटी में. Now I'll start with explaining what is epilepsy. Epilepsy is a neurological condition where brain experiences certain electrical activity that leads to seizures. Seizures is a state where a person all of a sudden ends up being confused or not being able to respond to certain things. Now I'll start with explaining what is anxiety. So basically anxiety is a mind-body connection. Mind consists of certain negative thoughts जो mostly illogical होते हैं and they are targeted towards future. What if future is ruined? What if मैं वहाँ गई ऐसे कुछ हो गया तो? What if कभी भी चीज़ें ठीक अब होंगी ही नहीं? So when all these negative thoughts become too much for the body to take, so the body reacts towards those thoughts in the form of breathlessness, palpitation, sweating, panic attacks. It is really important कि जब भी हम anxiety को manage करने की बात करें, it is really important कि हम just be in that present moment. We definitely think about the future, but the future should only be in terms of planning, but not in terms of predicting certain things. Now it is really important कि हम जो भी हम नेगेटिव थॉट एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं टुवर्ड्स द फ्यूचर, हम उन थॉट्स को चैलेंज करें इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट इज द एविडेंस ऑफ द थॉट, व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ मी बिलीविंग द थॉट, व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ मी चेंजिंग माई थिंकिंग, और इज देयर एनी अदर वे ऑफ लुकिंग एट द सिचुएशन. थ्रू ऑल दीज वेज द एंजाइटी कैन कम एट अ better level. Now I'll start with explaining what is depression. So depression is not just a feeling of being sad, it is a state of mental condition where a person experiences the feeling of hopelessness, worthlessness, not having the will to do certain things that an individual used to do earlier. So here are these explanation towards all these mental health issue. It is really also important to understand behind the glamour, behind the fame, there might be certain invisible wounds. Mental health does not compare whether you are a celebrity or a common person. Let's come together and break the silence around mental health.